Next we will be making the alphabet J. For making the J, first we make simple entrance loop, and then after that we will make a descending loop. That's it, a dot. And in the descending loop we all know that we have to cover this downstroke part. From the right hand side we will try doing it. You can make it as thick or as thin you want. For the next one, I am using a pen for this now. Just the entrance loop that we are taking is a little curved, just like this, and the same way your descending loop. The dot, and we know that the descending loop is going to be parallelly darkened. That is how we make J. Next, let's make K. Again, we have two variants in K. So for this, first what you do, you make the entrance loop, and from there you make an ascending loop. After that, we make this round and upturn with a twist, and then we know we will have to be doing the downstrokes. You take it like this, just fill the downstroke here. This is also a downstroke. Again, this is another downstroke only till here. So we make it like this. So this is how you can make K. Let us make another type of K, in which we are changing this entrance loop from here firstly, then your stroke, and then either you can make it round like this or you can make it like this also, just the way I made it, and just darkening the downstrokes. This is how we can make another K. So we will start by making L in this, the alphabet L. So firstly we'll take a little twisted entrance curve in this, and like this. Follow the steps we have made in L. Then, just using the same technique, right hand side and trying to keep it parallel, we are going to be shading in. So this is how we do it. So as we went like this, and this was the only downstroke, so we have shaded this. Now we will be making another type of L, and in this L I am using a sketch pen, and we are going to be starting from the midpoint. Same pattern but from the midpoint, like this. Again on the right side and trying to keep it parallel, we will just shade this. Then another very simple L is where you simply take a stroke like this and then just doing this parallel on the right side, darkening and shading part. So we're done with L. Next, let's move to M. For M we will be making 3 overturns, if you remember overturns. So 1, 2, third overturn with a compound turn, but not a complete one because compound would be completely up. Then taking the right sides, trying to make it parallel and shading it. All the downstrokes will be shaded now, and our simple M is made. After trying this, you can try another one in which what we do, we try to create one like this, second one a little longer, and third one would be a little shorter, that is a little zigzag types with a compound turn. And in the same way we will follow the right side pattern of shading it like this, and this is completely zigzag. So this is how you make N. You can try this one also. Then for N, what we will do, make an overturn, another overturn with a little compound curve, same way the right side, you can make it simple also, just like you can see a straight line which is a downstroke like this. This downstroke will be covered. This should be little like coming on the top, and then this will be a thick stroke, thin again when it comes up. So you can make an N like this also.